Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Faithful devotees, dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, today also we are still continuously going to teach Rupa Sangaha. Today our lessons, Rupa Samuttahana, the origination of matter, Rupa Samuttahana. According to the Rupa Samuttahana, there are 4 moods of origin. There are 4 moods of origin. According to Pali, they explain Kammang Chittang Utu Aharo Cheti Chattari Rupa Samuttanani Nama. Material phenomena originate in 4 ways: from Kamma, consciousness, temperature, and nutriment. Now, those are 4 names. Still, we are remember, no? We are very familiar with 4 sound: Kamma, Chitta, Utu, Ahara. Kamma born Kalapa, Chitta born Kalapa, temperature born Kalapa, and nutriment born Kalapa. Okay, now there are 4 causes of the arising of Rupa. Now there are 4 reasons, 4 things, 4 ways to arise the Rupa. First one is called Kamma. Number 2, consciousness, Chitta. Although only Chitta is mentioned, it includes the mental factors associated with the consciousness, because the Chitta cannot appear alone, no? Always Chitta appear with the mental factors. Now, Chitta and mental factors together support to arise the mind-born Kalapa. And but you have to know which Chitta can produce Chitta-born Kalapa also. In future, later you can understand. About temperature, Utu. Literally, climate or weather. Climate or weather. In Abhidhamma, it means heat or cold or temperature. Nutriment, Ahara. Normally, Ahara means food. Here, it refers to the nutriment inherent, means inherent in food, contained in food container. Now we can understand what is the, we are going to know the deeply what is the meaning Kamma, what is the meaning Chitta, Utu, and Ahara. In the Pali, Tatta Kamavacharam Rupavacharam Cheti Panchavisati Vidhampi Kusala Kammabi Sankata Ajjatika Santane Kamma Samuttahana Rupang Patisandhimupadaya Kane Kane Samuttaha Peti. In the Pali, they are in the 25 kind of wholesome and unwholesome Kamma pertaining to the sense sphere and the fine material sphere produce. in one's internal continuum volitarily conditions material phenomena originating from karma, moment by moment, beginning with rebirth linking. Now, you have to understand, but the karma born kalapa, no? Now we are going to start karma born kalapa. Now, what is the karma? They say there are 25 types of wholesome chitta and unwholesome chitta. Now, among the 25, there are 12 unwholesome. There are others wholesome, no? Okay, now you can understand later. You can go. Please continue. Material phenomena originating from karma. Now, this one we call karma samuttana rupa, karmaja rupa, karma born kalapa. Karma here refers to volition, chetana. Karma is a chetana. But now you have to understand there are many chetana, no? Kusala chetana, akusala chetana, abhyakata chetana. Kusala chetana, you understand, the volition of the wholesome mind. Akusala chetana, volition of the unwholesome mind. Abhyakata chetana, volition of the non-wholesome and neither unwholesome chetana. Because the vipaka chetana and kiriya chetana is called abhyakata chetana. Now, according to the here mentioned, karma here refers to the volition in past wholesome and unwholesome state of consciousness. Now, in the previous life, nearly death moment arise the near death process, near death chitta process. According to that process and according to that life, we already accumulate wholesome and unwholesome, uncountable. The unlimited wholesome and unwholesome already collected. The same way, in the many life ago also, we still continuously already collected wholesome and unwholesome. Those karmas power giving the result. Those karmas result giving in the present moment. That's why we call according to here, the karma is called wholesome and unwholesome. There are 25 kinds of karma that produce rupa, are the chetana of the following: 12 unwholesome, 8 great wholesome, and 5 fine material wholesome. The 5 rupa jhana. Chetana of the wholesome immaterial sphere, arupavachara kusala, chitta, generate rebirth in the immaterial plane, arupavachara bhumi, and thus cannot produce rupa originating from karma, because in the arupa world, no more rupa, only consciousness, only mental factors. Because of that, those kusala karma cannot produce the immaterial wholesome, cannot produce karma born kalapa in the immaterial world, because no more karma there. Now, this way you have to understand wholesome sense sphere plane and fine material world. Those are wholesome and unwholesome, can produce karma born kalapa in future when we are born in the four woeful place or in the human world and the all Brahma world. Starting from the arising upada, sub-moment of the rebirth linking consciousness, patisandhi chitta, karma produce rupa at each of the 3 sub-mind sub-moment of consciousness. Okay, now, because now every sub-mind moment, karma born kalapa arising in our present life. We go arising is Upada, presence, Titi, dissolution, Bang. Continues to produce throughout the course of existence, Pavati, up to 17 mind moment preceding the death consciousness, Chuti Chitta. Now, you can see the chart, how the Kamabon Kalapa arising in our life. You see the Patisandhi Chitta, rebirth linking moment, Patisandhi Chitta. There are three sub-mind moment, no sub-moment, arising, standing, and delusion, dissolution. Upada, Titi, and Banga. There are three. Upada moment also Kammaja Rupa produce. Same way, Titi moment also Kammaja Rupa produce. Banga moment also Kammaja Rupa produce. Same way, after that, after Patisandhi moment arising first Bhavanga. Okay, this first Bhavanga also there are three sub moment, sub-mind moment. The arising moment also Kammaja Rupa produce. Same way, every sub moment also arising Kamabon Kalapa until when? 17 mind moment before death. Now you see the death consciousness arising in the last moment. There the 17 mind moment before death. Until that moment, Kamabon Kalapa arising continuously. Now the 17 mind moment before death, the arising moment, Upada moment, also Kamabon Kalapa arising. Titi and Banga. After continuously going to until death. Last Kamaja Rupa ceases, disappearing. Now that's why up to from Patisandhi moment up to 17 mind moment before death, continuously Kamabon Kalapa arising throughout the body. We cannot stop. We cannot stop anything throughout the body. This is a meaning of the Kamabon Kalapa. Understand? Yeah. Now, how many Kamabon Kalapa? This one also we have to know clearly. 18 kind of Rupa are produced by Kamma. This is according to the Abhidhammatta Sangha. The first, how to say, this is not called the Mula, according to the Sangha, the normal book written by Bhante Anuruddha, not the Arahat Anuruddha, later on. Now those are, what are the 18 type of Kamabon Kalapa? 5 sensitivities, Pasada Rupa, Chakku Pasada, Sota Pasada, Kahara Pasada, Juva Pasada, Kaya Pasada. 2 sex faculties, Bhava Rupa, Itti Bhava and Purusa Bhava. 1 life faculty, Jivitindriya. 1 heart base, Hadevatu. 1 space element, Akasa Dhatu. Those are 18 Rupa we call Kamabon Kalapa. Kamabon Kalapa. 9 of these, the 8 faculties and heart base, arise exclusively from Kamma. Definitely arise with the Kamma. Without Kamma cannot produce, cannot arise. Yellow box in next chart 3a. Now later we can understand. The remaining 9 kinds arises from Kamma only when they occur in the Kamabon Kalapa. Otherwise, they originate from the other causes. Green box in the chart 3a below. Note, Dhammasangani list 20 Kamaja Rupas instead of 18 in Abhidhammatta Sangha, including production, Upachaya Rupa, and continuity Santati Rupa. This difference will be explained at the end of this section. Now you see, according to the Dhammasangani book, there are 20 Kamabon Kalapa. According to that Abhidhammatta Sangha book explained, there are 18 Kamabon Kalapa. Dhammasangani lists the 20 Kamabon Kalapa. Instead, there are 18 in Abhidhammatta Sangha. But those are everything we call Kamabon Kalapa. Anyway, the end of this lesson also you can get some extra information regarding Kamabon Kalapa. Now, chart 3a, Kamabon materiality, how we understand. Okay, the 28 type of materiality for Mahabhuta and for the 5 Pasada Rupa, Gochar Rupa, same way 2 Bhava Rupa, heart base, Jivitindri Rupa, Ahara Rupa. 10 type of Anippana Rupa also explaining the difference. But now, according to the chart, they mentioned the yellow color one is called Kamabon only, Kamabon Kalapa. They are definitely arise with the Kama only. What are the 9 explaining? Chakku Pasada, Sota Pasada, Gahana Pasada, Jiva Pasada, Kaya Pasada. Ittindriya, Purusindriya, and Jivitindriya. Hade Rupa. Understand? Now those are 9, no? Yeah. Again, Chakku, Sota, Gahana, Jiva, Kaya, there are 5. Itti Purusa, there are 2. Heart and Jivitindriya, there are 9. Okay. Those are 9 Rupa definitely arise with the Kama. Because of that we call Kamabon Kalapa. Ekanta Kamabon Kalapa. But same way, but they have another 9 Rupa. Vanna, Gandha, Rasa, same way Oja. There are 4. And Akasa. And same way Upachaya, Santati. Those are Rupa also including the Kama according Dhammasangani. But Upachaya Santati not including in the Abhidhammatta Sangha. Because of that, we can say what are the 9 Rupa: Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo, Vanna, Gandha, Rasa, Oja, there are 8, and Akasa, there are 9. Those are 9 Rupa we call Kamabon Kalapa, and same way other cases also. Example, the Chittabon Kalapa, they are including Chittabon Kalapa, Chittaja Rupa, Uttaja Rupa, and Aharaja Rupa also. Now I think you understand, no, about the Kamabon Kalapa. Now after that we can go to the about the Chittabon Kalapa. We have how we understand Arupa Vipaka Dipancha Vinyana Vajjitang Pancha Sattati Vidampi Chittang Chitta Samuttahan Rupang Patama Bhavang Upadaya Jayante Meva Samuttaha Peti. Now the meaning, the 75 type of consciousness, excluding the immaterial sphere resultant and the two set of fivefold sense consciousness, produce material phenomena originating from consciousness, beginning with the first moment of the life continuum, but they do so only at the moment of arising. Okay, now after that, again explaining tatta appana javanang iriyapatambi sandhaneti. There is a javana of the observation also uphold the bodily posture. Vottapana kamavacha javana vinyapana dipa vinyanantipi samuttanti. But the determining consciousness, javanas of the sense sphere and direct knowledge, consciousness produce also bodily and verbal. Intimation. Hearing the 13 javanas accompanied by joy produce smiling too. Now the Pali explain. Tatta appana javanang iriyapatampi sandhaneti vottapana kamavata javana vinyapana vinyattimpi samuntapenti somanasa javana panetta terasa hasanampi janenti. Now how we understand according to the sentence by one. Now material phenomena originating from consciousness. Now material phenomena originating from consciousness. Chitta samuttana rupa, chittaja rupa. Chitta produced by consciousness, chittaja rupa, spring up starting from the arising moment of the first bhavanga. Chitta immediately after the rebirth consciousness, patisandhi chitta. Understand? Again, how we understand? Rupa produced by consciousness, chittaja rupa, spring up starting from the arising moment of the first bhavanga, chitta. Immediately after the rebirth consciousness, patisandhi chitta. Okay, now you see, patisandhi is first moment, second moment, third moment after the bhavanga continuously. Okay. Now chitta born kalapa first arises with the first bhavanga. First bhavanga arising moment arising chitta the rupa. Okay. Every arising sub moment arising appear. Okay. But the dead moment, in the last moment of the chuti, dead moment, last moment of the death, also still producing chittaja rupa. Chittaja rupa. Okay. Chittaja rupa. Because now example you have to understand the they have the 6 bases now in our body, no? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. Those are 5 bases not producing chittaja rupa. The same way, arupa vipaka, immaterial resultant mind, also not producing same thing, the chittaja rupa. But except arahatta, others, chuti chitta also still can produce chitta bodh kalapa. Okay. Now, I think a little bit understand what Chitta Bone Kalapa, no? But they have the detail. The rebirth linking consciousness, Patisandha Chitta, does not produce Chitta Rupa Kalapa. Because now you understand, no? Patisandhi moment not producing Chitta Rupa. It occurs on the weak base, which lack postensis condition, Pachajata Pache, and is not sustained on food, Ahara. At Patisandhi is a Rupa, the arises in Kammaja Rupa. These Kammaja Rupas are mutually dependent, Anya Samana Pachaya on the Patisandhi Chitta and thus take the place of Chittaja Rupa. This Patisandhi Chitta is the newcomer to the new existent guest Agantuka. The dead consciousness Chuti Chitta of an Arahat does not produce any Rupa, not only Chitta Rupa especially, any Rupa. An Arahat has completely destroyed all taints, asava, and will have no more rebecoming after the Chuti Chitta. Hence, this extremely peaceful Chuti Chitta does not produce Chittaja Rupas. There are different views among the commentaries, sub-commentaries, are whether Chitta of the other non-Arahat begin will produce 75 Chittas can produce Rupa for the 14 Chittas below. 10 sense consciousness, the Pancha Vijnana. These 10 Dipancha Vijnana, the 2 eye consciousness, 2 ear consciousness, 2 nose consciousness, 2 tongue consciousness, 2 body consciousness, not producing any of the Chittaja Rupa. Because why? They're explaining, no? Explaining why? Because those are Chitta not associated with Vitak and Vichara. Not associated with Vitak and Vichara. Not associated with the path factors which arise only for rooted Chitta. And without roots, ahetuka, hence cannot produce Rupa. Now you see the 10 sense consciousness, the Pancha Vijnana lacks the power to produce Rupa. For Chitta to be strong enough to produce Rupa, need to be associated with jhana factors and path factors and roots, hetu. Okay, now because now you have to understand, because some every Chittas cannot produce Chitta-born Kalapa, no? Especially except 10 consciousness, 10 sense consciousness, Dipancha Vijnana. Those are Dipancha Vijnana cannot produce Chitta-born Kalapa. That's explain. Those 10 Dipancha Vijnana Chittas are not associated with initial and sustained application. Initial and sustained application. Vitak and Vichara. Not associated with path factor. Path factors. Maybe the Ditti, Vitaka, etc. Which arise only for rooted Chitta. Because the path factors arise with the rooted Chitta. And without roots, ahetuka, hence cannot produce Rupa. Okay, now I think maybe according to that notes, 75 Chitta can produce Rupa, no? Except for the 14 Chitta below. Already explained now. What are the 14? 10 type of Dipancha Vijnana and Another one, next page. 4 immaterial resultant. 4 immaterial resultant. Arupavachara vipaka. They arise only in Arupavachara realm, where there are no rupa. Now you see, because now any meditators, they are practicing immaterial wholesome in the present life, but still those chitta can produce mind born kalapa. Kusala chitta, wholesome of immaterial realm can produce chitta born kalapa. Same way, the functional consciousness of Arupavachara world still can produce chitta born kalapa, but immaterial resultant mind, Arupavachara vipaka mind, they cannot produce mind born kalapa because they are appearing only the Arupa world, no more rupa. Because of that, cannot produce. Also, beings are born in Arupavachara realm because of the cultivation of this person towards materiality. So the cause for the rupa has been removed from the Arupavachara vipaka chitta. Now you understand, no? Because now why the 14 chitta cannot produce the chitta born kalapa. But those are 75 chitta arising in the sense sphere realm and fine material world. Still they can produce the mind born kalapa. Although Patisanta chitta and Arahat Chuti chitta do not produce chittaja rupa. They belong to the same type of chitta as Bhavanga chitta. Hence, their exclusion does not affect the 75 type of chitta that can produce chittaja rupas. I think you understand, no? Now, according to the commentary explain a little more. Mental phenomena, nama, are strongest at the moment of arising upada. Material phenomena, rupa, are strongest at the moment of presence. Very good meaning, no? Because now which moment of chitta it is strong, which moment of the rupa is strong. When someone asks the question, now you can see mental phenomena are strongest at the moment of arising. Material phenomena are strongest at the moment of presence. Okay, this is between the difference of the between. Rupas last for 51 sub-moments. Their present is for 49 sub-moments. As the present moment titikana for rupa is very long. It is strongest at the present moment. Okay, but chetasikas only last 3 sub-moments and are strongest at the moment of arising, upadakana. Therefore, chitta produces rupa only at its arising moment, upadakana, when it is strongest, not at the moment of present, titikana, and dissolution. Okay, now this is a meaning of the chittaja rupa. I think everyone can understand, no? Okay, good. The following 26 javanas of absorption, appamanya javana. So appamana javana, jhana javana. In addition to producing rupas, also maintain and upholds the bodily posture is sitting, standing, or lying posture. Fine material wholesome, Rupavachara Kusala, the five fine material functional Rupavachara Kiriya, 4 immaterial wholesome Arupavachara Kusala, 4 immaterial functional Arupavachara Kiriya, 4 supermundane wholesome path knowledge Lokuttara Kusala, 4 supramundane resultant functional Lokuttara Vipaka Phala. These appana javanas are sublime wholesome Mahagata Hosala. Sublime functional Mahagata Kiriyan supermundane Lokuttara Chitta. These are strong mind. A person in jhana can maintain his sitting posture for a very long time, even up to 7 days. They do not produce new posture when requires intimation, but they can maintain the existent posture. Now how but now explain about the jhana chitta, how they give the good, how the bodily posture uphold the bodily posture. 32 chitta belong not only uphold the posture but may also activate bodily and verbal intimation only at the mind door process. As 5 door chittas are weak, depending Vattapana or mind door adverting Manodwara Vajjana Chitta. 29 sense sphere, 12 unwholesome, 8 wholesome, great wholesome. There are 8 great functional, 1 smile producing, 2 direct knowledge. Jhana, Rupavachara, Kusala and Kiriya. Okay. Now how we understand about the bodily and verbal intimation. But the direct knowledge, Abhinya, Chitta refer to the 5th jhana, Kusala and Kiriya Chitta, that arise in the direct knowledge mental process, Abhinya Viti. Ordinary 5th jhana Kusala and Kiriya Chitta only support posture, but the direct knowledge Abhinya, 5th jhana Kusala and Kiriya Chitta can also produce Vinyati, Vinyati intimation. 13 jhana accompanied by joy, produce smiling, and worldly Putujanan, worldly, may smile or laugh with any of 8 chitta. 4 somanasa lobha moola chitta, rooted in greed and accompanied by joy, and 4 somanasa mahakusala chitta, great wholesome accompanied by joy. A trainee may smile with 6 chitta. Somanasa sahagata dittigata vipayutta, Somanasa ditti vipayutta lobha moola chitta, rooted in greed, not associated with wrong view, and accompanied by joy, wrong view having been eradicated. 4 Somanasa Mahakusala Chitta, great wholesome, accompanied by joy. And Arahat may smile with 5 chitta. The four Somanasa Mahakiriya Chitta, great functional, accompanied by joy. One Hasitupada, rootless, smiling, producing Chitta. One Hasitupada Chitta. Please refer to chart 3 and 3B and 3C. Yeah, now you see chart 3B, Chitta as the cause of material phenomena, Rupa. Now, I think maybe how we see the chart, maybe you can look the chart about the Chittas, and after that the next no Chitta, Chittaja Rupa, posture, intimation and smiling, because some Chitta can produce Chitta born Kalapa. Some Chitta can produce posture. Some Chitta can produce intimation. Some Chitta can produce smiling. Okay, this is we are going to make summary. Greed rooted joy, Somanasa Hasitu Loba Mula, no Chitta. Okay, now Chitta Jarupa, postures, intimation, and smiling, everything can produce. Great rooted equanimity, upekha, lobamula. Now you see Chitta Rupa, posture, intimation, but smiling, not producing. There's no more joy. No more joy. I think maybe later on you also can check by yourself, no? Hate-rooted domanasa mula, moha mula, dipancha vinyana, sampaticchana, santirana, panchadwara vajjana, manodwara vajjana, hasitupada, somanasa mahakusala, upekka mahakusala, somanasa mahakiriya, upekka mahakiriya, rupavachara kusala, rupavachara vipaka, rupavachara kiriya, arupavachara kusala, arupavachara vipaka, arupavachara kiriya, lokuttara chitta, and to abhinya chitta. Okay. Now 75 chitta born chitta among the 89 chitta, there are 75 chitta can produce chitta born kalapa. 51 chitta can produce posture. 32 chitta can produce 32 intimation. 13 is a smiling, hasitupada. Okay, now this way we have to understand. Okay, you can check by yourself. Very important to understand. Okay, next one, temperature as a mode of origin. Temperature. The fire, okay, now the Pali. Yeah. Seetonhotu samanyata tejodatu titipatto utu samuttana rupam ajjattancha bahidda chataraham samutta peti. The fire element which compresses both cold and heat on reaching its stage of presence produce according to circumstance both internal and external material phenomena originating from temperature. Now we are going to talk about the Utuja Rupa. Material phenomena originating from temperature. Temperature is Utu. Temperature Utu here refer to fire element. Tejo Dhatu, fire element. Beginning from the stage of presence, Titi, at the moment of rebirth linked in Patisandhi. Very clear, no? Beginning from the stage of presence, at the moment of rebirth linked in Patisandhi. The internal Ajatang, fire element, Tejo Dhatu, found in the material groups born of Kamma, combined with the external fire element, Tejo Dhatu, and they start producing organic, animate, living Rupa originating from temperature Utuja Rupa. Thereafter, throughout the course of existence, the fire element Tejo Dhatu in the material groups born of all four causes, Utuja Rupa Kalapa, produces organic Rupa born of temperature. Externally, temperature of the fire element Tejo Dhatu also produce inorganic inanimate, non-living Rupa, such as climatic and geological transformations. Now, after that, about the nutriment of the mode of origin, Ahara Samutthana. Oja Sankatu Ahara Samutthana Rupang Ajjaharene Kale Sthana Patto Samutta Peti. Nutriment known as a nutritive essence on teaching its stage of presence produce material phenomena originating from nutriment as the time to time it is the time it is swirled because when we are eat the food, no, then when they eat the food from that tongue, that from that place to start to produce the kalapa, oja kalapa. Now, material phenomena originating from nutriment aharaja rupa, the internal nutritive essence oja of edible food supported by the external digestive fire tejo dhatu of jivita nava kalapa produce rupa at the moment of presence titikana, starting from the time it's swirled. The nutriment essence oja that has reached presence in the material groups originating from nutriment produce a further pure octet attam kalapa 8 group, no? With the support of other nutriment borne nutritive essence ojahara rupa aharaja rupa, and the nutritive essence oja in the octet in that octet similarly produce still a further octet Suddhatta Kalapa octet. Thus the occurrence of octet links up the 10 or 12 times, please refer to chart 3D. The nutriment taken by the pregnant mother pervading the body of embryo produce materiality in the child. Even nutriment smeared on the body it's said to produce materiality. Yeah. Now I think maybe you understand, no? Because now about the aharaja rupa, no? How we aharaja rupa make, especially the jivita nava kalapa, digestive fire kalapa must be arranged. Yeah, the aharaja kalapa, how the become the generation. Now thus the occurrence of the octet link up to 10 or 12 times, because this generation going to can produce 10 to 12 kalapa can produce, no? This is an explanation about the aharaja rupa. The nutritive essence are in the internal groups kalapas born of the other three cases also originated several occurrence of pure octet in succession. The nutriment take on one day can support the body for as long as 7 days, because now we take food today, but 7 days continuously can support to the body. This is the meaning. After that, explain the extra little bit extra details about the tatta hadaya indriya rupani kammajaneva. Now I'm going to explain. There is a material phenomena of the heart base and the 8 faculties of are born of kamma, of the kamma born kalapa, kamma born rupa. After explaining vinyati dvayam chittaja, there are 2 media of intimation are born only of consciousness. Saddo chitto utu jo lahuta dittaya. You see, the sound is born of consciousness and temperature. The triple qualities of lightness, malleability, and wieldiness arise from temperature, consciousness, and nutriment. Utu chittahare sambhavanti. Avinibhoga rupanicheva akasa dhatu chatuhi sambhutani. Lakkan rupani na kuto vijayanti. The inseparable material phenomena and the element of space arise from the 4 causes. Characteristic material phenomena do not arise from any cause. Heart base, Hadevattu, and 8 faculties, kamma born kalapa, only kamma born kalapa, cannot be other. The 8 indriya chakku, sota, ghana, jihva, kaya, itti, purusa, jivita. Hadayavattu and 8 indriya rupa are only produced by kamma and support only in kammaja rupa. Now you see, Hadayavattu and 8 indriya rupa only produced by kamma and support only the kammaja rupa kalapa. Okay. Intimation vinyati, consciousness born kalapa, chitta born kalapa. Bodily intimation, kaya vinyati, and verbal intimation, vacha vinyati are only produced by consciousness, Chittaja Rupa. Hence, they arise and disappear together with consciousness. The Dhammasangani, the intimation rupas are called Chittanupatti, means they followed Chittanuparivarti, means they follow Chitta. Their lifespan is only one mind moment, 3 sub-mind moments, same as the Chitta. The lifespan of characteristic rupas are production, continuity, upacha santati, first sub-moment of arising. Aging, jarata, 49 sub-moment of presence. Impermanence, anicca, first sub-moment of delusions, dissolution. The lifespan of all the other rupas are 17 mind moments, 51 sub-mind moment. Now you see about the chart about the rupa lifespan in the sub-moment. They're explaining. Intimation, vinyati rupa. Vinyati rupa. Yes, vinyati rupa. After that, production, continuity, upacha santati for lakkan rupa. Again, jarata rupa. Impermanence, anicca rupa. Now the next group display next slide. Lifespan in the sub moment. 3 one mind moment, arising and upad also one moment, 49 presence, one dissolution, bhanga, sorry, bhanga, sorry, dissolution, bhanga, 51 17 sub moment. Now you see table of lifespan of rupa. The initial, the vinyati rupa only one moment, only one moment. The for lakkan rupa also, upada rupa, one permanent rising. Okay. Others 29 rupa. Yeah. 49 rupa is jarata. Anicca is I am dissolution, bhanga. All other rupas 51 sub moment means 51 mind moment kalapa. This is a lifespan of the some rupa. Okay. Now this way, I think maybe we know the meaning. After that, they have the sound, sad, consciousness born, chittaja and temperature born. Articulate, collate a sound from speech, voice, consciousness born. Inarticulate sound, natural sound, temperature. For example, sound is the stomach and external sound. Lightness, malleability, wellness, lauta, mudita, kamanyata. Temperature, consciousness, and nutriment born. Favorable climatic condition, buoyant stage of mind, wholesome nutriment. On the other hand, unfavorable climate depresses state of mind, unwholesome nutriment. The 8 inseparable rupas, apo tejo vayu dhatu, yeah, are produced by all four causes. Space element Akasa Dhatu occurs as the instrictus small space between the kalapas, born of the four cases. Space in not direct produce. When rupas in kalapas are produced, space always extends between these kalapas. Without these rupas born of four cases, there cannot be space. Therefore, space is regarded as the being derivatively born of the four cases. Because now about the space, because of the kalapa we can see space, but the characteristics do not arise from any case, explaining in the next section. Now I think you understand about the origination of the rupa, about the four type of rupa, about the kama bone, chitta bone, and uttu ahara rupa. How we count chitta and uttu ahara, etc. They explain according to the Abhidhammatta Sangha. But we can continue with next lesson according to the last stanza also. We can postpone to next also. But this was briefly. There are 18, 15, 13, and 12 arise respectively from karma, consciousness, temperature, and nutriment. Because now the karma born, there are 18 rupa, consciousness born, there are 15 rupa, temperature born, there are 13 rupa, nutriment born, there are 12 rupa, not the kalapa. But kalapa is coming soon. Okay. I think if you have anything to ask, let me know, because today also I used a lot of Pali sentences, but they have the meaning word by word. No, you also can understand. If any thing not clear, please let me know. May I try again to explain for you.
Sadhu.
Idamme punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idamme punyang Nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu. May all of you be well and happy. May all of you be free from all suffering and attain Nibbana soon.
Thank you very much, Bhante. Sadhu.